My name is Christie Peacock. I'm the founder and chairman of Sidai Africa Limited. Sidai is a company that distributes quality agricultural inputs and services to around about 300,000 farmers now across Kenya. Well, I've been working for 40 years in East Africa, and I did my PhD research here in the early 80s with the Maasai on sheep and goats. I'm really a goat person. So my passion is goat farmers and goat keepers. But I started the company actually with a grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, who saw the vision, and particularly they saw the need for increased vaccination levels. So they gave me the sort of seed capital to set up the company. Since then, we've had sort of, impact investment type capital coming in. And now this year we've secured a long-term investment from a strategic investor, which is a UK animal nutrition company called Devonish. It was chaotic. It was completely chaotic. About 60% of the products in the market here are substandard, so they may be counterfeit, they may be poorly manufactured, and about 80% of the people who sell these products have no technical qualification at all. So it's a real problem if you're a farmer, getting seeds that germinate, animal feeds that actually have the right ingredients in them, vaccines that work, all that kind of thing. Furthermore, most veterinary professionals, and we have a very strong focus on livestock and livestock keepers because we see them as having huge potential. But the business model, if you like, for private veterinary practitioners was really to sell high-margin injectable products, treating individual sick animals rather than focusing on preventing disease through good nutrition, vaccination, and good hygiene. So we're trying to shift a lot of things in this country, and we're starting to get a lot of respect and recognition from the government. We've been very influential in a new policy here that's just coming out, encouraging and involving and making clear the legal basis for the private sector to engage in vaccination, which is actually could be a big business in this country, but at the moment, vaccination levels are pitifully low. Well, we have a network of franchises and stockists. We do a huge amount of business training with them, getting them to see that if you do the right thing for farmers, then you have a long-term business. If you make a short-term sale, you're just worried about cash today, rather than your long-term growth of your business by engaging with your customers in the long term, doing the right thing, getting customer loyalty. That is a game changer in terms of mindset and the way that you engage with your customers. A lot of naturally poor people think short term, but we're trying to get people to think long term about how they help to build their customers, and if their customers are growing, then their business should be growing too. And these are the issues that we have to address for healthy farmers and healthy consumers.